Assalamualaikum and good morning to panel. My name is Muhammad Nurman bin Fauzi. I am from Polytechnic Sultan Idrisha, student of Diploma Environmental Engineering. Today, I will present my final year project. The title is Production of Biodegradable Plastic from Banana Peel and Potato Strach. My supervisor is Puan Nurhana binti Ramli. Let's look at the introduction. First, conventional plastics are made from petroleum, so they cannot be decomposed. Because of this, million tons of plastic waste are dumped into the sea and landfill. This is why biodegradable alternatives are very important. Bioplastic can help to reduce environmental pollution. For this project, I choose banana peel and potato starch because banana peel is rich in glucose and starch, while potato starch contains almond-salt and almond-pinions. These components are perfect for making eco-friendly plastic. Moving on the objective of my project, there are two main objectives. First, to produce biodegradable plastic sample with different composition percentage. Second, to determine the properties of biodegradable plastic products produced from banana peel and potato starch as an alternative material in plastic production. Now, let's move on to the problem statement. There are two main problems that I want to highlight. First, conventional plastic take hundreds of years to decompose. This is because the serious pollution in our ocean and landfill. Second was Malaysia produces a large amount of banana waste every year. Most of this waste is just thrown away and not fully used. Therefore, this project focused on using banana waste to create an eco-friendly plastic to replace the normal plastic. Next, for the scope of study, the project focused on a few main areas. First, we use the raw material from agricultural waste, which is banana peel and potato starch. Second, we prepare three different measures or formula, which are 50%, 70%, and 100% of banana peel. Finally, we conduct 4 laboratory tests to check the quality of the plastic. First, elongation test, water absorption test, burning test, and lastly is biodegradable. Now, let's look at the signification of study. This project is important for a few reasons. First, it helps to reduce waste by using agricultural waste like banana peel, turning into something useful. Second, it promotes environmental sustainability because this bioplastic can decompose naturally and will not pollute the earth. Finally, it serves a reference for future green technology, showing that we can create safe and eco-friendly packaging material. Now, let's look at the potential of banana peel as bioplastic raw material. Banana peel are excellent because they are rich in glucose and starch. Their components give the plastic a strong basic structure. However, banana peel alone can make the plastic too brittle or rough. That is why in this study, we combine it with potato starch. The potato starch contains amylose and amylpation, which can help to make a plastic smoother and flexible and better bonded. By combining banana peel and potato starch, we can produce a bioplastic that has a good balance of strength and flexibility. Now, let's move on to the procedure. This is the step-by-step process how we made the biodegradable plastic. First, for the preparation, we cut the banana peel into the small piece. After that, wash the banana peel, boil them, and blend them into the smooth paste. Next, for the mixing, we combine 17 ml tap water that heat to be temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. After that, put 10 grams of gelatin and mix it until dissolved. Next, during the mixing stage, we prepare 3 different ratios for banana peel extract, which is 50%, 70%, and 100%. For each sample, we add potato starch extract and mix it together with specific amount of 30 ml of tap water, 7.5 ml of glycerin, and 3 ml of vinegar. We mix all of these ingredients truly in a beaker before moving on the heating and stir process. After that, we heat and stir the mixture continuously until it becomes thicky and sticky. Finally, for the casting, we pour the hot mixture into the tray, spread it evenly, and let it dry for 48 hours. For the testing method of plastic, I use 4 methods. First, the elongation test to measure the flexibility. Second, the water absorption to check the moisturization. Third, the burning test for absorption, burning speed, and smell. Finally, the biodegradable test to see how fast it decomposes in soil. First, let's look at the elongation test. The 50% mixture shows that the higher flexibility and strength. On the other hand, the 100% mixture is the lowest and very brittle. The reason is because potato starch contains almucus and emulsion. This helps to create a strong bond in the plastic structure, making it more elastic. Second, the water absorption test. The 50% mixture has a lowest water absorption, which means it is more suitable at water resistance. The 100% mixture has the highest water absorption. The reason is the banana peel has a lot of natural fiber that can absorb water easily. So, less banana peel make the plastic more durable resistant moisture. Third, for the burning test, the 50% mixture has the slowest burning speed and produce a very low odor. The 100% mixture burn very fast and the highest odor. The reason is the combination with potato starch act a natural barrier that slows down the fire and reduce the burning smell. Finally, for the biodegradable test, the 100% mixture decomposes very fast in the soil. 50% mixture decomposes slightly slowly. The reason is because 100% banana peel is fully organic and easier for bacteria to break down. However, the 50% mixture is still the best because it provides a good balance between plastic strength and biodegradation. As you can see, this is the graph for biodegradable test. Finally, we can come to the conclusion of my project. Based on the test, we can conclude the 50% banana peel and 50% potato starch is the best optional formulation. This mixture successfully create a bioplastic that is strong, flexibility and water resistant. At the same time, it's safe because it burns slowly and it can decompose naturally in the soil to protect the environment. Now, for the recommendation for future research, I have 3 suggestions. First, we should conduct future research to find the best ratio between plastic strength and biodegradation rate. Second, we should encourage the use of other agricultural waste besides banana peel, such as corn cob. And finally, we can try using gelatin other than bovine as an addition to improve the quality of the bioplastic. So that's bring me to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much to all the panel of your time and your attention. Thank you very much.